Merry Christmas, my YouTube family, and welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. So today, I'm preparing our holiday turkey. This one is soft, moist, and so delicious. If you want to see how I achieve this, then let's do it! I must say thank you to all of my subscribers right here, especially to you who are always coming back. You are my MVP. I can always depend on you. May you receive a blessing this Christmas season where you need it most. God bless you. To my brand new subscribers, you are welcome and God bless you too. Oh, my viewers, my followers, you're watching, you're out there, but you haven't made up your mind as yet. Please subscribe and be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you too, and continue watching. Don't forget to check out our merch store as well as our Amazon store today. I'm an affiliate at our Amazon store. That means whenever you purchase something, I earned a commission. The links are in the description box below. Please check them out. God bless you and continue watching. After 2.5 hours, this peg never popped up. So I'm taking it out. You're not gonna dry out my turkey this year. Oh no, you're out. Continue watching. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Please give it a thumbs up. Share it out. Leave a comment. Don't forget to check out the description box now. Everything will be listed there for you. Please check out our Amazon store as well as our merch store. There is always something there for you. The links are in the description box below. So check them out now. God bless you. And I will see you in the next one. Merry Christmas, everybody. And have yourself a happy new year. God bless you.